Always confirm a safe restart procedure after replacing a blower motor or control module to prevent repeat failure or new issues. After powering back on, first verify that the power was indeed off during the install by checking the service disconnect and the circuit breaker labels, and never rely on a single indicator. Double-check all wiring terminations for correct placement, tightness, and insulation, so you eliminate loose connections that cause arcing or intermittent faults. If the system uses a start capacitor or run capacitor, inspect its specifications and consider replacing or upgrading it if it shows bulging, leakage, or if the new motor has different requirements. Capacitors degrade and mismatched capacitance or voltage ratings will shorten motor life. Reconnect the thermostat or control module wiring and then energize the system briefly while standing clear to listen for unusual noises like grinding, rattling, or humming that indicate mechanical binding or electrical imbalance. Monitor current draw with a clamp meter if available and compare it to the motor nameplate full load amperage, sustained higher than nameplate current points to miswiring, mechanical drag, or incorrect capacitor sizing. Finally, run the system through a full operating cycle while observing airflow, temperature change across the coil or heat exchanger, and the control response to ensure stable operation and that no safety interlocks are tripping. Common mistakes include not confirming power was off, which can lead to shorted components and injury, so always re-verify the disconnect and breaker before touching connections. Another frequent issue is overlooking wiring errors or loose terminals, which produce intermittent faults and higher current draw. Remedy this by methodically tracing each conductor to its terminal and using a torque screwdriver or properly rated crimp terminals. A third problem is failing to address a weak or incorrect capacitor when installing a new motor, which causes poor starting torque or overheating. Replace the capacitor with one that matches the motor requirements and use a higher quality unit with the same or better voltage and microfarad rating. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover project ideas related to heating and cooling maintenance. We also connect contractors with homeowners who need work and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences.